Good morning, everyone. Peace be upon you all. How are you today? I hope you are well and full of spirit. Today is special day because we will celebrate National Batik Day together. So, who here like wearing batik? Many of you, right? Because batik is not only cool but also an important part of our culture. In this seminar, we will discuss the history, meaning, and development of batik in our life. And before we start, let me introduce our amazing guest speaker. She is Zauza Alia, a batik expert who has been involved in batik work of a long time. She is active in Balai Besar Kerajinan dan Batik, the major institute under the Indonesian Ministry of Industry. She has a lot of experience that be interesting to her. Hello, Mrs. Zauza. How are you?
Hello, I'm good, thank you. I'm pleased to be here to share about batik. I hope our discussion today will give new insights and inspiration to everyone.
Wow! I'm also very excited to hear all the story and knowledge that will be shared. Mrs. Zauza, could you tell me us about the history, meaning, and development of batik in our life?
Of course! So, batik has existed since the time of the kingdoms in Indonesia. Initially, batik was used as a symbol of social and cultural status. For example, royal families and nobility could only wear certain motifs. Batik is not just a piece of clothing, but also has deep philosophical meanings reflecting the values and life of society at that time. Each batik motif has its own story and philosophy that is usually passed down from generation to generation. For example, the parang motif symbolizes strength, wisdom, and courage. This motif was once only worn by kings and warriors. Meanwhile, the kawung motif symbolizes justice and wisdom, often worn by nobility. There are also other motifs like Megamendung from Cirebon, which represents peace and tranquility, and the Sidomukti motif, which symbolizes hope and prayers for prosperity. Batik today is not only a cultural identity, but also plays an important role in our economy. The batik industry provides jobs for many people, from artisans and craftsmen to batik sellers. Additionally, batik also significantly contributes to the local and national economy. Our batik products are known and valued around the world, making them one Indonesia's leading export products. There are many ways we can help preserve batik. One way is by introducing batik at an early age in schools, so children can know and love batik from a young age. We can also hold various activities like batik festivals, exhibitions, and batik design competitions to increase appreciation for batik. Additionally, we can support batik love campaigns and use batik products in our daily lives, whether in the form of clothing, accessories, or home decoration. The biggest challenges might come from competition with modern textile products that are cheaper and mass-produced. Additionally, there is also the threat of printed batik products, which are faster and cheaper to produce, but their quality and artistic value are not comparable to hand-drawn or stamped batik. Therefore, it is important for us to continuously support and promote traditional batik. and educate the public about the value and uniqueness of authentic batik.
Absolutely. We need to keep creating and supporting traditional batik. What about innovation in the batik industry? Are there any interesting new development?
Of course, nowadays many young designers are trying to combine traditional batik motifs with modern designs, creating unique and attractive products for the younger generation. There are also innovations in more environmentally friendly dyeing techniques, as well as the use of more diverse materials like silk, linen, and organic cotton. All these innovations help keep batik relevant in today's fashion and creative industries.
Wow, that's really cool. I'm becoming more interested in exploring more about batik. Thank you so much, Mrs. Souza, for such an interesting and informative discussion today.
You're welcome. Thank you everyone. I hope we can continue to love and preserve batik.
Before we close, let me quote a wise saying for William Morris. The true secret of happiness lies is taking a great interest in a detail of daily life. By knowing and loving batik, we take a small but meaningful step to embrace our culture was in everyday life. Batik is a tapestry of stories and history created by the skilled hand of artists. Its motif reflects the soul and culture of our timeless heritage. By wearing batik, we not only remember the past but also create a future where culture and traditional continue to thrive. Batik is tangible proof that from every dot and line, we can find our identity and pride as nation of Indonesia. And again, thank you to everyone who acted. See you at the next event. Stay proud and wear batik. Peace be upon all. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning.